Welcome back to MotorVision, your one-stop destination for the latest car reviews, automotive news, and in-depth looks at the machines that move us. If you're passionate about cars, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the ride. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, you heard that right. The iconic nameplate from the past has been revived, and Volkswagen is making a bold move by blending retro design with futuristic technology. Let's take a closer look at this beautifully reimagined classic. The original Karmann Ghia was known for its elegant curves and unique fusion of Italian styling and German engineering. Built between 1955 and 1974, it was never about speed or performance. It was all about style and charisma. Fast forward to 2025, and VW has managed to retain that charm while bringing it into the modern era. At first glance, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is unmistakably a homage to its predecessor. The silhouette is low, wide, and smooth. You'll notice the familiar rounded front fenders and teardrop-shaped rear end. But this isn't just a copy-paste job. Volkswagen's designers have reimagined the car with sharper lines, a more aggressive stance, and state-of-the-art lighting. The full-width LED light bar at the front blends seamlessly into the sleek grille, giving it a futuristic edge. It's a car that turns heads and sparks conversations, just like the original. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, lies Volkswagen's all-electric MEB platform. That means the new Karmann Ghia is fully electric. Depending on the trim, you're looking at a range of around 280 to 320 miles on a single charge. The dual-motor all-wheel drive variant produces a healthy 295 horsepower, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 in just under 5.5 seconds. While it's not a supercar, it definitely has enough pep to make your morning drive a whole lot more exciting. Charging is fast and convenient, thanks to support for up to $175 DC fast charging. That means you can go from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. Perfect for those who don't like waiting around. Step inside, and the cabin is where retro meets tech in the most satisfying way. The dashboard is minimalist, but there are plenty of design cues that harken back to the classic model, like the circular air vents and the slim instrument cluster. But that's where the nostalgia ends. The 12.9-inch touchscreen dominates the center console, running Volkswagen's latest infotainment system with voice control, over-the-air updates, and full smartphone integration. Sustainable materials are used throughout the interior, with options for eco-leather and recycled fabrics. It's a cabin designed for comfort, style, and a cleaner conscience. And yes, there's enough room for two adults in the front to sit comfortably, though the rear seats are best suited for small children or extra luggage. It's a coupe, after all. In terms of safety, the 2025 Karmann Ghia comes packed with all the modern features you'd expect. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising. Volkswagen hasn't cut any corners when it comes to ensuring peace of mind. One of the standout features is how customizable the new Ghia is. Buyers can choose from a palette of heritage-inspired colors, like pastel blue, racing green, and sunset orange. There are also optional two-tone paint jobs that add an extra layer of flair. Throw in the available glass roof, and you've got a car that feels like it belongs in a museum, yet it's built for today's roads. So, who is the 2025 Karmann Ghia for? It's not for someone looking for a practical family car or a rugged off-roader. This is a vehicle for those who appreciate automotive art. It's for the enthusiast who values aesthetics, history, and innovation all rolled into one. Whether you remember the original or you're discovering the Ghia for the first time, this car makes an impression. Volkswagen has taken a risk by bringing back such an iconic name, but judging by what we've seen so far, it looks like that gamble has paid off. The 2025 Karmann Ghia isn't just a tribute, it's a rebirth, one that carries the soul of the original into a bold new future. That's all for today's episode. Let us know in the comments. Would you buy the new Karmann Ghia? What's your favorite detail about it? And do you think more automakers should bring back classic nameplates like this? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Motor Vision, where every car has a story. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.